not the same. Similarly, all students cannot be generalized. Did your child ever felt left out in a classroom? It is difficult for a single teacher to manage a bunch of students in a classroom. So the only solution for this is Ecare classes. Ecare classes differ from other online tuitions. And here is why. Ecare enables students to learn from their own pace and comfort with one-on-one online interactive teaching methods. Unlike traditional learning, it doesn't dictate students to adjust to their pace, but in turn adjust to the students. Teachers here are not just focused on their students' mark, but also focused on their future goals. Teacher creates a special bond with their students to encourage and motivates them to grow. Ecare also plays a key role in cementing the healthy relationship between teachers, students and their parents too. So let's make use of this amazing opportunity and allow your children to get knowledge and skills with more advanced technology and comfortable way.